Hi, good people. Hello. Where's the camera? Okay, it's there. Hey guys, it's been like a very long month. I'm on this diet. I just started it when 7 days ago. I'm just hoping it's working, but yeah, I do have hope that it's gonna work. I've been wanted to tell you about it. Oh my goodness, I'm using this thing, Apple Cider Vinegar. I've been watching all these videos on YouTube. People, they're talking about it. It's been helping them. Then I told myself, okay, let me just try it and see if it's gonna work for me. So I started it 7 days ago. I said that, yeah, 7 days ago. I'm just hoping, yeah, it's gonna work. And I bought this. Where is my thingy? My little thing. This thing, blender. Yeah, I'm just hoping everything they're talking about on YouTube, it's gonna work for me as well. Okay, but I've been noticing some changes on my jeans, like a little bit look good. And I'm happy. My bras, my underwears, yeah, I think I'll have to go and shop for the new ones, because I do notice some changes. Yeah, that makes me happy. So I'll update you next week. Then I'll just count. Yeah, next week I'll make another video that will update you. What kwenzakaleni so far. Yeah, sometimes English, it's like it can be like a little bit difficult. That is why now I'm mixing isiZulu and English. Yeah, please forgive me, guys. Okay, yeah, I'm trying it. I want to lose weight so much. I'm fat. I don't want to be obese, because they said after like you've been fat, you're becoming obese. So I don't want to be obese. Yeah, I'm gonna try. Let's hope. Crossing my fingers. I'm just crossing my fingers. This thing, it's gonna work for me. Yeah, just hoping. In the morning, I'm drinking like a glass, like just a small glass of water, a little bit warm water, with a pinch of cayenne pepper, a pinch of a quarter of ginger, and what else? Oh, and half of a lemon, all together in one glass. But I'll show you next week, like the demonstration, because that's how they do it. Yeah, demonstrate. I'll show you. It's cayenne pepper, ginger, half of a lemon, and I put tablespoon of this. Where is this? This thing, I think this thing is from UK. Yeah, I love it. Where you can get it at Clicks Pharmacy here in South Africa. It's only Clicks that got this thing. I love it. Oh, one spoon of apple cider vinegar. Then you drink it. Then after that, wash your mouth so that it won't mess up your teeth. And in the afternoon as well. And you can take it in the morning before your breakfast. Then you eat your breakfast. After that, before your lunch as well, put lemon, apple cider vinegar in a glass, apple cider vinegar, water. Yeah. Then in the evening, I mix it like in the morning before I eat. In a glass of water, I put pinch of cayenne pepper and a quarter of ginger powder. What else? Half of a lemon. Did I mention half of a lemon? Oh God, the age. I forgot sometimes. In a warm water. This thing, it makes you like lose the appetite. You don't get hungry like unnecessary. So it does help. Yeah, I'll update you, good people. I'm just hoping it's gonna work for me. Okay. Bye. I love you. Have a good Sunday. I hope you did went to church. Yeah. Okay. Bye, guys. Where is the off button?